Tired of messy slides where text just won't go where you want it? I have been there. You spend forever clicking and dragging, and somehow your words end up crooked, cut off, or floating in some weird no man's land. It is frustrating. But here is the good news. By the end of this quick tutorial, you will know the exact steps to add and position text perfectly in Google Slides. No more fighting with the formatting. Just clean, professional slides. So how are we going to get there? It is simpler than you think. We will start by opening your presentation and then walk through each step to create and customize a text box. Think of this as your go-to method, the way that just works every single time. First, go ahead and open your Google Slides presentation. If you do not have one open already, just head over to slides.google.com and open up the file you are working on. This is where we will be doing all of our work, so make sure you have that ready to go. Now that you have your presentation open, the next step is to choose the slide where you want the text to appear. It does not matter if you are building a title slide or adding a caption to an image. Just click on that slide in the sidebar on the left to make it active. You will know it is selected because it will be highlighted. All right, here is where the magic starts. Look up at the toolbar, the row of buttons running across the top of your screen. You will see a button that looks like a little square with a capital T inside it. That is the text box button. Click on it. That tells Google Slides, hey, I want to draw a brand new box for my words. So now that the text box tool is active, it is time to actually create that box. Move your cursor onto the slide. You will notice your cursor has changed into a little crosshair. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag diagonally across the slide. You are literally drawing the shape of your text box. Do not worry about being perfect here. You can always resize it later. But generally, creating a nice wide rectangle gives you plenty of room to work with. Once you let go of the mouse, you will see your brand new text box appear. And here is the really important part. Now, you just type. Your cursor will already be blinking inside that new box, ready for you to start typing. Go ahead and type out whatever you need. A headline, a bullet point, a sentence. Just put the words in. If you need to adjust the size of the box after you type, you can grab one of those little blue squares on the border and drag it to make the box bigger or smaller. This is where AI Mastery's approach really shines. We do not just click buttons blindly. We set things up so they actually look good. Now, once your text is in there and looking exactly how you want it, there is just one final step. Click anywhere outside of the text box. Click on the blank space of the slide or on another object. That lets Google Slides know you are done editing this particular text box. The cursor will disappear, and your text is now locked into place on the slide. And that is it, seriously. From struggling to get text to cooperate to confidently placing it exactly where you want it, you now have the exact process used by professionals to keep their presentations clean and clear. Give it a try in your next slide deck. You will be surprised how much faster you can work when you know the right way to do it.